Now, if you're looking for a really beautiful southwestern dress belt buckle, this may very well be the ticket. This is made by Benjamin Piasso, and it's obviously a butterfly motif. Butterflies being symbol of beauty and a life well lived. It has Brazilian agate, coral, and a little bit of black jade right up here. The silversmithing is clean and nice. Everything about it is just very well done. And Benjamin is a well-known, well-recognized Southwest silversmith, and it's apparent from this particular buckle that he knows exactly what he's doing. He uses some exotic materials and great silversmithing to create something that's very nice.